Welcome. This is a demonstration of how to access the adductors, which helps to release your hamstrings. And then at the end, I demonstrate a hip hinge with the adductor sway. Only do what feels right for you. So you're going to stand wide. You can either have your feet turned out or pointed forward, either is fine. And you're literally going to sway the hips side to side with the knee bending. You're going to hold for 2 counts on each side to help prevent activation of those stretch receptors. Okay, and it's up to you how long you want to do this for. Don't fatigue yourself. If you feel like you want to add an additional part, we're going to hinge at the hip over the knee that's bent, and then come back up, hinge over to the other side, hinge at the hip over the top of the knee. This can just add an extra stretch into more of the hamstring area and the low back. And again, it's up to you how often you want to do this. Thank you so much for joining me.